Assalamu alaikum aspirants. This lecture presents 20 carefully selected MCQs on ethics and civics for MPT 2026. Each question is linked with updated national and international developments, constitutional knowledge, and ethical theories. So the goal is to help you practice critical thinking, understand applied ethics, and recall important civics provisions relevant to competitive exams. By working through these questions with highlighted answers and explanation, you can strengthen both your conceptual clarity and exam preparation. सो लेक्चर स्टार्ट करते हैं और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज़ एथिकल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ फिडेलिटी इन मॉरल फिलॉसफी। तो एथिकल प्रिंसिपल क्या है फिडेलिटी का मॉरल फिलॉसफी में? लॉयल्टी टू कमिटमेंट्स आर प्रोमिसेस, मैक्सिमाइजिंग पर्सनल गेन, अवॉइडिंग हार्म टू अदर्स, आर एक्टिंग इम्पार्शली। तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन ए है, लॉयल्टी टू कमिटमेंट्स आर प्रोमिसेस। The ethical principle of fidelity refers to loyalty to commitments or promises central to trust in moral philosophy. Next question है, in Pakistan Constitution who has the authority to declare a state of emergency? Prime Minister, President, Chief Justice or Army Chief? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन बी है, President. In Pakistan Constitution, the President has the authority to declare a state of emergency under Article 232. Then next question, which ethical theory focuses on the intentions behind actions rather than their outcomes? तो इसका जवाब ऑप्शन सी में है, deontological ethics. The deontological ethics associated with Immanuel Kant focuses on the morality of intentions behind actions, not just outcomes. The next question है कि what was the primary focus of Saudi Pakistan $2.2 billion investment package announced in October 2024? Defense technology, economic reforms and infrastructure, agriculture exports or tourism development? तो इसका सही जवाब है इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म्स एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, ऑप्शन बी. द सऊदी अरब पाकिस्तान $2.2 billion पैकेज ऑफ अक्टूबर 2024 prioritize economic reforms and infrastructure. Next question, which mineral vital for aerospace industries is the focus of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa 2025 mining initiatives? Titanium, coal, iron core or gypsum? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन ए है, titanium. KPK 2025 mining initiative focus on titanium, critical for aerospace industries. The next question, in Pakistan Civics, what is the primary role of the Council of Common Interest (CCI)? Overseeing foreign policy, resolving federal provisional disputes, managing elections or drafting laws? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन बी है, resolving federal provisional disputes. The Council of Common Interest resolve federal provisional disputes, ensuring constitutional balance. The next question, what does the ethical concept of altruism emphasize? Self-interest, selfless concern for others, adherence to laws or cultural relativism? तो इसका जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, selfless concern for others. Altruism emphasizes selfless concern for others, contrasting with self-interest. The next question, which article of Pakistan Constitution protects the right to education? Article 25A, Article 20, Article 17 or Article 10A? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन ए है, आर्टिकल 25A. आर्टिकल 25A of Pakistan Constitution protects the right to free and compulsory education. Next question, which US company signed a 2025 deal with Pakistan for rare earth element extraction in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन डी है, MP Materials. MP Materials signed a 2025 deal with Pakistan for rare earth element extraction in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The next question, what is the ethical principle of equity in moral philosophy? Equal treatment for all, fairness, justice to individual needs, maximizing societal benefits or strict rule following? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, fairness, justice to individual needs. Equity in ethics means fairness, justice to individual needs, distinct from simple equality. Next question, in Pakistan Civics, who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner? President, Prime Minister, Parliamentary Committee और Supreme Court? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी, Parliamentary Committee. The Chief Election Commissioner is appointed by a Parliamentary Committee after nomination. Next question है, which ethical dilemma involves choosing between truth telling and protecting someone's feeling? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, white lie dilemma. The white lie dilemma is ethical choice between telling the truth or protecting someone's feelings. The next question है, what is the key objective of the 2025 Saudi Arab Pakistan Green Energy Framework? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, सोलर एंड विंड प्रोजेक्ट फंडिंग. The Saudi Arab Pakistan Green Energy Framework of 2025 emphasized solar and wind energy projects. The next question, which mineral essential for electric vehicle batteries is prioritized in KPK 2025 mining reform? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, कॉपर. Copper essential for electric vehicle batteries was prioritized in KPK 2025 mining projects. Then next question है, what does the ethical theory of existentialism emphasize in moral decision making? Universal moral laws, individual freedom and responsibility, collective well-being or religious doctrine? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, individual freedom and responsibility. Existentialism in ethics emphasizes individual freedom and responsibility in moral decision making. The next question, which body in Pakistan oversees the implementation of the 18th Amendment devolved powers? National Economic Council, Council of Common Interest, Federal Shariat Court or Election Commission? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, Council of Common Interest. The Council of Common Interest oversees the implementation of devolved powers after the 18th Amendment. The next question, what is ethical concept of paternalism in moral philosophy? Acting in others' best interest without their consent, promoting equality, prioritizing personal gain or following societal norms? तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन ए है, acting in others' best interest without their consent. Interest without their consent. Paternalism in ethics means acting in others' best interest without their consent, raising moral questions. Next question, which article of Pakistan Constitution establishes the Supreme Court? Article 175, Article 184, Article 199 और Article 203? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए, Article 175. Article 175 of Pakistan Constitution establishes the Supreme Court. The next question, what is the name of the 2025 Saudi Arab Pakistan Initiative for Digital Infrastructure Development? Vision 2030 Connect, Pak Saudi Arab Tech Corridor, Digital Skill Route और फ्यूचर नेट एनालिसिस? तो इसका जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, पाक सऊदी टेक कॉरिडोर. 2025 Saudi Pakistan Initiative for Digital Infrastructure Development is called the Pak Saudi Tech Corridor. Then what does ethical concept of moral hazard refer to? Risk of unethical behavior due to lack of consequences, acting against societal norms, prioritizing personal virtue or universal and standards? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए, risk of unethical behavior due to lack of consequences. Moral hazard refers to the risk of unethical behavior where there are no consequences for actions. So revise these questions regularly and connect them with current events to reinforce your learning. Ethics and civics form a significant portion of screening and written exams, so consistent practice is essential. If you need more explanation on any topic, share your query in the comments. We will provide detailed guidance or focused lecture to ensure you cover every important area with confidence.